Hey, couple creepers with the Glock on my side, riding, hanging out the window, screaming, who wanna die? Savage left, elegant with 100 bad habits. Say I need prayer, all I need is my ratchet. Pull I swing with the blade, then I pray over dead prey, banging great to my grave. Millie rock, stop, I say, what that mean? I don't know. Took about 4 hands today, sipping lean, dying slow. Drugs make me feel okay. Million cash for that paper, turning ash. Walk away and start to laugh. Ha 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 ha. No more, I got cash, 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 and cars and bras. Hit that 7-figure mark without an A and R. Scarecrow walking in the fog. Life got worse than it was before.
Cut the weed, Papa.
Niggas from this planet, they can't sing.
Watch what it is, watch what the kid drops. I'ma get the prop if you're not with the biz. Not only other reasons I really popped at the crib, so hating motherfuckers, you better stop at the jizz. All for the thiz, but I'm boss, it don't matter what the cost. When I live right across from the whiz, kill a city where have a nigga lost in the mill, leaving nothing but mother stuck and plus a cough in the give. What is happening is a merger, different levels of murder. Little Weezy cooking and I'm a server. Further, that's what I'ma get doing is remember we're eating Gerber. Mama said to kill them all and I heard her. Thank you baby for what became Lil Wayne. He's getting all the people knowing the strange in the game. I've been really able to hang in the fame, but when he shouted my name has been a change in my lane. I'm a cluster fucking loving nothing but to get your brain. And I be stuck in lust and quick to bust a nut and take a nigga's day with no shame. Really be busting up, they thinking they thugging tough, but never do knuckle up. You in the gang, you bang, you drugging, touching everything, you lame. Sucker, you cannot sustain the rain. Tech 9 is such a coup in this. Ballin' niggas, strange music, crew through swishes. I know a lot of you probably never knew who this is. You're listening to Tech Nina, Suwoo business.
Today I feel electric gray. I hope tomorrow neon black. I tell a nigga all those flows are borrowed. It's the faro. 3 stacks. I woke up in Caro looking at stars so bright in the sky. I thought they were marbles. No cardos. What you call those? A whole carload of raw hoes in a Jeep Defender. Please remember, don't feed the symbol. 3's a symbol like nobody. He's a symbol of what Safari. Pulled the ponytail to my body. She's the only girl that was smarter enough to call me Mr. Benjamin in the middle of a wild party. Skin with cinnamon, I pounded harder. How come the only girls that I thought of are the light ones? Well, tonight then, we gon' do it for the dark ones. It's important that you are more than welcome to the Carter Fort, and y'all enjoy it. I will go ahead and I'll kiss y'all on y'all forehead. Out.